Hey guys, it's Addy here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube using only two algorithms. So, first let us see what the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cubes consists of. It consists of 8 corners, and that's it. So, the corners are the pieces which have 3 colors on them. So like 1, 2, 3. So and in this video we're gonna learn two algorithms, and for that there are going to be 8 moves that you are going to be learning, which is R, R prime, which is the which is turning the right face clockwise, R prime turning the right face anti-clockwise, U and U prime turning the up face clockwise and anti-clockwise, L and L prime turning the left face clockwise and anti-clockwise, and the last move is F and F prime turning the front face clockwise and anti-clockwise. So that's pretty much for the things, and now let's get to the solving. So if you want to learn how to solve a cube, you first need to scramble it. So you after that you need to solve. So it can be scrambled very less. So the first stage in what we have to do is the call the first layer. So we have to do something like this, like the first whole layer. So we are gonna be asking that how we do that. I'm teaching you. So we have to find any color. I will just take white for the example. So here these two white corner pieces are matching. Our goal is to match it from here as well. So it should be like this. So we have to find that these colors are orange, white and blue. So we need to find an orange piece color which has orange. So this has very good, it is very good. So we can just it's already in the slot. So the white layer will be this layer, right? So it has to go in this slot, it just has to twist. So we're just gonna learn our first algorithm. So it is the right hand easy algorithm. You must have seen in videos that I have made before, like the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube tutorial video, with just two algorithms to solve it. So here we do right hand easy algorithm. So it is R turning the right face clockwise, U turning the up face clockwise, R prime turning the right face anti-clockwise, and U prime turning the up face anti-clockwise. And we repeat that several times until it is solved. So now it's solved. Other things are solved as well. So this is solved. So we have to do everything for each piece. So, but each piece will not be just like this, but this is also the same. But we will have to do the same algorithms in this as well. But I'm just gonna take this for an example. I'm gonna join it with this, but you will think, hey, now it is joined. But no, actually it's not, because these colors are not matching. So we will just keep it here, because it needs to come here as well, because then the colors will be matching. So white will go here and everything. You will understand later. So we keep it right here, and then we do the couple of our algorithms, the right hand easy algorithms. The right hand easy algorithm is an algorithm that you would need to solve the Rubik's Cube, every Rubik's Cube, even the 4 by 4 Rubik's Cube. So as you see that we have solved this as well. Our goal is to get the whole white side. So we have gotten 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. So and these side layers are also matching. and the last piece is here, so it is already in the place, but maybe it could be here. Then you will say that how can we get that it from there to here? So we will just bring it to its corresponding place where it has to go in. So it was here, so we just take it here as it's in this position. Then we do the couple of algorithms, right hand easy algorithms. And that solves our one side and of our first layer. Then now the last layer. So in here we have to at least make two colors matching. So this is in the right place. These two colors are matching. By two colors joining, I mean that in the right place. So this one is in the right place, but at least there will be two. They would be joined by diagonal ways, or it could be joined by adjacent ways. It could be any. It could be any, but in both cases you will only have to do this algorithms which have to correct them. So in this case, this one is in the correct position also, and it's in the right position also. I don't know what I just said. It is in the correct position also, and it is not flipped as well. But we need to find two pieces that are solved, not like completely solved like this, which are in the right position. So if we move the faces, then we'll find those. In this case, only this is correct, so this cannot be right. In this case, it is here. Oh, no, actually, it's nowhere. In this case, it's nowhere actually. And if we move it here now, this one is there, and we got into the same case. But we look again. In this case, this is also in the correct position. It just needs to be flipped around. This also. But these two need to be swapped. So we take the solved pieces on our left side and do this algorithm. So as we learned the right hand easy algorithm before, we do the right hand easy algorithm 3 times. Remember this, we have to do it 3 times for an adjacent corner swap. So like this. And that's it, because it's 3 times. Then we rotate our cube and then do the right hand easy algorithm from the left side. So, and this is the only algorithm that you will be learning how to for how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's cube. These are only 2 algorithms: the right hand easy algorithm and the right hand easy algorithm from the left side. And so now we do it 3 times from the left hand again. Not again actually. So, but whatever. We just do it 3 times, as we did the right hand easy algorithm before. So now if we rotate a little bit, this one is solved as it was before. It is in the correct position as well. To remember, as we remember the color scheme, white is opposite of yellow. So yellow should be on the top. Our goal is to get yellow on the top. So this one is in the correct position from this side also, and yellow also. So it is our one corner. Ignore these. So if we don't see these, this cube is completely solved, right? So we just have to correct these. We just have to flip these. Yeah, flip. That's the correct English. I don't know English, guys. Don't judge me. Whatever. So let's just move. Let's just see that all of the corners, if are in the right place, then it's good to go. Then we flip our corners and then you solve your Rubik's cube. But in this case, it is here, and here, this one is actually solved in the correct, and it's in the correct position. This one as well. This one is also solved and it's in the correct position. Wow, and this one is also in the correct position. So the algorithm swaps 2 adjacent pieces, which are just like matching. So in this case, when all of the things are twisted or whatever, flipped, we just turn the cube upside down and keep this on bottom. And remember that our goal is to get the all of the yellow side facing on this side, matching with this. So we keep it on the bottom, and then we do the algorithm, which goes from the right hand easier. So which is, we turn the cube upside down, and then we start doing algorithms till the yellow color of the every edge or whatever corner is facing down. So it's not solved. Now it's solved. Now I don't want to replace this solved corner with my other unsolved sides of the cube. So I'll just turn this around, so because I want to flip this one as well. But don't worry about the upside. As we finish the cube, it will be solved. So easy algorithm, right hand easy algorithm, solved here, and then we move over here as well. Then we do the same here, repeat, and then you'll see we made this layer, and then just a little bit of alignment, and yay, we solved the first Rubik's cube. But there are some cases which you would not be able to solve, something like this. Yeah, this. When you have a diagonal case swap. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what to do. Don't judge me, guys. Just for a little longer. I did the algorithm wrong to show the case. So, yeah. Now, in this case, this white corner is solved, and this is in the right position. So this we can flip later, but this and this is not in the correct position. But in this case, we can put one correct corner which is in the right position on our left front side, and do the right hand easy algorithm 3 times like we did before for swapping the 2 adjacent corners. Then we stop at 3 times, rotate, do from the left hand. And now if you do some alignment, you'll see at least 2 sides solved, which is this, because it's in the right position. This is also correct. And we do the algorithm again like we did before, like I told for the before case. So now with a little bit of alignment, it's solved. And now we just flip our corners normally. We keep doing the algorithm until the color is facing that we want on the bottom. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video, and that's how you solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Actually, not bye. My new intro, actually, my new outro word to end the video is over.